depending on what you're doing. This is sort of the standard. One of the reasons that octagonal handles are great is because you can use this bottom facet here as a guide for your finger. So your finger can follow that same angle right here on the handle. Often when you're, for instance, cutting the rib bones of fish, it's easier to hold the knife further back where your hand doesn't get in the way. So if you have to do rotational cuts like this, it's easier to hold the knife further back. But the hand is in the same position as if it was further up, just slid down.
So you're kind of holding the end of the...
Yeah, exactly. If you're holding the knife up here, and if we were to pretend that this was a piece of fish, your hand tends to get in the way right here as you cut, but if you hold it further back, it's easier, the edge can still come in contact and your hand is out of the way. Hinge grip is really only used for situations where you have to cut very, very hard things, whether it's membranes or bones. When I'm cutting through the rib bones of a hamo, the handle is wrapped around my wrist like this, and that allows the knife to be raised more. And the knife, and this helps sort of coast along the spine bone of the hamo. This is another grip for cutting through bones or the skulls of fish when you need to break heads in half or to go through spine bones of larger fish. Often for this technique, you're using just the heel.